Hey guys, it's Scarlett at Build-A-Cross, and today I'm going to show you how I paint this Paint by Line fall sign. I'm going to go in first and base coat my sign in the color Kudzu, and I will be using all Dixie Belle chalk paint throughout this video, which you can purchase online at buildacross.com, as well as the cutouts I'm using and the paint brushes. I'm using terracotta to paint my pumpkin, and that is my very favorite pumpkin color. And then I'm going to go in with a little bit of chocolate to paint my stem. And then I'm going to go in and paint the ridges on my pumpkins. And these are etched in the cutout for me. So I'm just going over those ridges that are etched there for me already. And I will also go in with the color putty. And I'll go over all of those little brown accents just to highlight it. And then this is pretty much how I paint all my pumpkins. So if you have a pumpkin you're wanting to paint, just follow these same steps. I usually just keep this same technique throughout all my pumpkins because it's tried and true and I love it. So once I'm done with that, I'm going to allow everything to dry because my sign is still pretty wet. I'm not going to be able to go in and do my lettering or anything yet. So now that everything's dry, I'm going to go in with some of this color Plum Crazy, and I'm going to do some of my leaf accents. And I'm just going to go over those and just accent like the stems in the color chocolate, as well as do those little details at the bottom in chocolate as well. And then I went in with limeade and black and just did some little swirls, vines on my pumpkin. And now I'm going to go in and fill in my Hello Fall with some black paint. Now I'm going to go in with cotton and just highlight everything to soften and brighten and finish my look up. And then that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a great day.